Amaphupho amsiza akafuna ukuphela even after the ritual. Uze wahamba uyilanda inyanga khathi wena into yenzile ayisebenzanga. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on House of Zwide. So umsizi went back to inyanga yakhe ethi wena lo muntu onginikeza wona this ritual oyenzile, it's a scam. Ayisebenzanga sona ngikwazi ukulala. Athi ungiqambela amanga, there's an innocent girl emuzwayo wena ngitshelanga lonke iciniso. Okumele ukuyenze is that you have to go and confess. Ahambe ke umsizi goes to Faith ethi kusisi wakhe, there's something I need to tell you. But you won't look me the same after ngutshele le nto. Athi Faith, no, talk to me mntakama, what's going on? Ajazi le nto yangidla, it's eating me up bit by bit. I can't carry it anymore. So uyakhala ke umsizi. Faith is like, what's going on? Tell me. And then they get disturbed by a phone call that disturbs the whole conversation. Agcina ngamtshelanga ke umsizi. And then Dorothy is done packing. They're preparing to leave. Kelezo is guilt tripping her, saying, uthatha umntwana, you're taking Riasenzo. The only memory I have of my mother, but what can Dorothy do? And then the uncle is like, hey, Uncle Dorothy is like, I see your man is weak. He couldn't even come and say goodbye to you. Kelezo runs to the car wash saying, "Good Malume, you need to come." Dorothy is taking the Riasenzo and they're going back to Venda. You need to come and beg her to stay. Pelawa family, Atumlifa, I'm not going there. They're no longer my family. Riasenzo one. I got Malume, you can't just let them go. Finally agreed to go. Ayoba born before they leave. Ampa Usandile is worried because Soga, what's wrong? What's going on? Why do you need so much money so fast? So it's like Nkali please, and lies saying he needs the money for home, Kokwa Kenjanjani. Sandile sees good how man, there's something fishy la, talks to Krishna about it. Krishna is like, maybe he does need the money. Soga is lucky to have a friend like you, hey? And then Osoga goes out no Mampo. He can't even pay the bill. The guy does not have money. Asks Mampo to settle the bill. Mampo doesn't mind, but suspects also what's going on in Osoge. Soge excels the story to grandma one Jani here to help out, but then he'll sort it out in a few days' time. Meaning this gambling thing is Hi, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.